Hi everyone, this is Charles Clifton Forex Trader here with a short video to show you how to make real money in the Forex market using our twice daily Forex strength weakness tables. I decided to pull up an example here of a situation that happened not very long ago. As you can see from the chart here, we're on a one-day chart here, we're on the pound Aussie dollar. What I want to show you is a setup that our strength weakness tables alerted us to, which it was such a beautiful setup. It was basically an ascending triangle pattern that came to my attention purely because of our strength weakness tables, which I'm going to go over and show you in a second. But what I'm going to show you is how we managed to get in on this bar here and ride a 500 pip move straight through the 179.50 resistance on a third test breakout, right the way through to the 184.50 resistance point up here, at which point the market turned back against us. I'm going to show you exactly how our tables gave us the entry and the exit for this particular trade setup. So to start with, I just want to draw your attention to this bar here. Those of you who are used to MetaTrader will know if you look up here in the top left hand corner, it will give you the date of the bar that I'll be hovering over. So if I go back to this bar, you'll see there that is the 15th of March. Okay, and I've got a little note written down here. Strength weakness pre-signal generated Thursday the 15th of March at 5:30 in the evening GMT time. Right, let's go straight across to our tables. That's the home page. If you have trouble finding these tables, all you've got to do is go to charlesclifton.co.uk, go to Trading Signals, Silver Signals, and click on Daily FX Strength Weakness Signals. That will fire you straight through to our main signals page, as you can see here. Welcome to your daily Forex strength weakness signals. Now, as I say, we are looking for the pre-signal that was generated on the 15th of March. So let's go back to here. You can see here that we list tables every single day of the week, including Sundays. There you go, there's last Sundays. We're looking for the 15th of March, so we're going to go back through a whole load of data here. Where are we? We're on Thursday the 15th of March. If we look at Friday, or in fact look at the Wednesday before, you can see here that pound is actually quite weak. Day trading, pound is coming up quite strong. The table we're interested in is Thursday the 15th of March, right there. You can see that the Aussie dollar is currently sitting as the third weakest currency in the market. Now also at 9:30 in the morning every day we publish not just the trend trading table but also the day trading table, and it's important to note this. So we do a 9:30 in the morning trend trading table, we do a 9:30 in the morning day trading table, and a 5:30 in the evening day trading table. You'll see why this is important in a moment. So by Thursday the 15th in the morning, we've got the pound starting to show a little bit of strength. By the evening, we have the pound showing quite a lot of strength, and we also have the Aussie dollar starting to appear as a fairly weak counterpart. Now this is the important thing. By getting access to these tables, if you were able to access these tables on Thursday the 15th of March, you'd have logged on 5:30, 6 o'clock in the evening, and you would have seen pound Aussie dollar. The first thing you need to do then is to pull up your chart and find the pound and the Aussie dollar. So we have pound Aussie dollar pre-signal. It's only showing on one of these two time frames. It's not showing on the trend trading time frame. That's something I just want to show you. So that is that bar there. We got our pre-signal at 5:30 in the evening, which is really pretty close to the end of that bar. I'm going to show you where the confirmation came in. So this is the breakout bar where it all started to happen, and that's on the 16th of March. So let's go back to our strength weakness tables. Let's scroll forward a day to Friday the 16th. So we're right here, Friday the 16th. You'll notice on the 9:30 trend trading table, the pound is now the second strongest currency in the market. You'll notice also that the Aussie dollar is the third weakest. Now that's great because this wasn't showing. We had the Aussie dollar showing the day before, but we had no sign of the pound whatsoever. Suddenly the pound has shot up here. We had a pre-signal the day before to say look out for the pound, it's coming up in strength. That is now showing here on our 9:30 trend trading table. Aussie dollar. Take a look over here. Also published at 9:30 in the morning is our day trading table. You'll see immediately that the pound is also the second strongest there, and the Aussie dollar is also the third weakest there. What we have here is, it really is the golden bullet. It's called confluence, guys. You're looking for two reasons to get into a trade. We've got confirmation here of the same pair being strong and weak on two different studies at exactly the same time. Let's go back to our chart. That was right at the beginning of this bar. Strength weakness signal confirmed, Friday the 16th, 0930 hours. Now again, if you had access to this analysis, you would know at that point just simply to buy that pair. Okay, don't think about it, don't hesitate, just buy it. It's that straightforward. Using these tables gives you the confidence that you need because we're doing all the work in the background. This is all run from quite a complex algorithm that took several years to refine and is now, as near as damn it, bomb-proof. The beautiful thing here is 5:30 in the evening, the pound is now leapt to the strongest currency in the market and the Aussie dollar has leapt to the weakest in the market. Let's go back to our chart. That's what we're talking about up here. That was a 203 pip move. It absolutely blasted through the 179.50 resistance. It tested it on a third occasion. That's its second test you're looking at there. It tested it on its third occasion and broke out. Now that's not bad for a Friday trade. Okay, that's 200 pips. If you got in really late and you took 100 pips out of that, are you happy with 100 pips on a Friday? I certainly wouldn't. I certainly would be happy to take that every single day of the week if I could. So there you go. There's a 203 pip move. Many traders will quite simply get out at that price point. They'll get to Friday evening, they'll close their trades. They don't want to carry trades through the evening or through the weekend, and that's understandable. That's fine. I trade slightly differently, and what these strength weakness tables help you to do is to learn to trade with a little bit more confidence. Because if we go back to the table here, I just want to bring up the Sunday analysis. You can see again, pound Oz. That says to me, stay in the market. Let's go into the next week. There's Monday the 19th. We still have the primary indication of pound Oz, but look up here. On the day trading confirmation tables, pound Oz, pound Oz. It is still pound strongest, Aussie dollar weakest. That follows through to the evening. That says to me, stay in the trade. Let's come through to Tuesday. Pound Oz is still showing on the trend trading table. Pound Oz, pound Oz. They are still strong one and weak one on the day trading table. Again, confirmation to stay in the trade. Let's come through to Wednesday. Pound Oz, strong one, weak two. Pound Oz, confirmation. There it is. Just hold the trade. Hold the trade. Flow with the market. Come through to Thursday. Pound Oz, pound Oz. I mean, you know, we're getting on for a week's worth of trading here now. Come through to the Friday. Pound Oz, pound Oz. Okay, they are still showing on these tables. As long as they show on all three of these tables, stay in the market. Flow with the market. Sunday, pound Oz, good confirmation. So on Sunday open, I'm happy to stay in that particular trade. We're coming into Monday now. We've been in this trade over a week. We've still got pound Oz showing strong one, weak one, strong one, weak one. It's absolutely fantastic. Just stay with the market. We come to Tuesday the 27th. The pound is starting to weaken a little bit here. You can see that we still have pound Oz showing on the trend trading table. But you can see here the pound is now the third strongest currency and the Aussie dollar is still the weakest. By the evening, okay, a little bit of a regain of strength there. Brilliant. Again, confirmation. Stay in the market. We come to Wednesday, pound Oz in the morning. We come to Wednesday the 28th, pound Oz in the evening. Stay with the trade. Stay with the trade. That's all I can say. We come into Thursday. Okay. 9:30 in the morning on Thursday the 29th of March. I can't see the pound anywhere and I can't see the Aussie dollar anywhere. Whilst they're still showing here on the trend trading time frames, we've lost the confirmation from the day trading time frames. So Thursday 29th of March, 9:30 GMT, that's my exit signal. Let's go and find Thursday the 29th of March bar. I can tell you right now, it's just in the very beginning here. At that point, or should I go back a day? Let's say on this bar here, I don't know if that's a minor retracement and to expect a follow-on or not. All I know is it's set a high round about the 184.50 handle and the market has decided to retrace. That could be profit taking or it could be a reversal. What this strength weakness analysis gives you is the ability to tell the difference between the two. You can see quite clearly here, that's a little bit more than profit taking. We got the signal to exit our trade at 9:30 a.m. on the 29th, which is right there. So let's just quickly recap. We've got a pre-signal back here on the 15th. We've got a full entry signal at the very beginning of the 16th. If I pull my crosshair up and take that to there, you can see that there's nearly 500 pips of profit in there. And all you've had to do is to compare a sequence of tables looking for the primary setup and then looking for your confluence or your confirmation, and simply pull up the chart and buy that instrument and ride with it until the strength weakness analysis gives you a reason to get out. It really is that simple. Now I can tell you now that we were just under the 500 pip marker, so full exit Thursday 29th of March at 9:30 a.m. It was the high 490s, so I'm very happy with that particular trade. I was in that trade for effectively 9 trading days. Now, how many people out there would have the confidence to stay with a trade for 9 days until they had a reason to exit? As I say, most people would have bailed at this point, possibly at this point, definitely at this point. They'd have looked at that and said, oh, that's definitely a doji reversal bar or something along those lines. They're going to try to expect it to come back here. Guess what? The market had other ideas, and this is the whole point. Stop trying to think about what you think is about to happen next and actually just trade what is happening. And the best way to do that is to trade with the market. So once again, we enter here, we get out of the market here somewhere, nearly 500 pips. There's a few other tools that are on this screen that you might not have noticed, so very quickly I'm just going to go through here. If anyone's looking in the top left hand corner of my chart thinking what is that and where can I get it, I'll tell you now. It's our chart partner console for the MetaTrader platform. We've developed this because we needed it to help our trading, and we've decided to make it available to everybody for free. If it's something that you're interested in, then again, just quickly nip over to our homepage at charlesclifton.co.uk. On the top menu there, you'll see MT4 Chart Partner. That will take you over to this page. Everything you need to know about it is here. Okay, absolutely everything. There's a video there that tells you what it is, how it works, and really why you need it. Underneath that, you're going to find a download, installation, and configuration video, step-by-step guide. You can't go wrong. Free download button. We don't even want your email address for it. You are welcome to it. And underneath that, you're going to find support if you need it. Quick video about a few more details and the opportunity there to actually ask me a question. So that's the chart partner, which you're more than welcome to for free. The reason why I bring your attention to this chart partner is because we have the ability to actually send you trading messages to your MetaTrader 4 desktop. So you'll notice here on the 30th of the 4th, I put out a little bit of a heads up for everybody, and again, this is all free, saying the pound was weakening. If we go over here to the 30th, that's the bar there, the 30th. Now again, this ties back to trading with Forex strength weakness. The number of traders, it'll be an astronomical number of traders who've seen the 182 support handle, tested once, tested twice, they've gone, that's it, I'm a buyer. And they're buying at the 182 handle, and they're expecting to take a cheeky little 250 pip move. Again, the market had other ideas, and we were able to tell you that the day before the move came. And again, that information came to us through, have a guess, straight through our strength weakness tables. It's only by having access to these that you can get one step ahead of the market. And you can see that 3 tables every day done in 2 batches, 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock and 5 o'clock, okay? So anyone that was thinking about buying at the 182 would have put their stop down here. That stop would have been hit. Now that message still exists on our chart partner console because the pound is still quite weak. That's given us the ability to know not to buy it here because it's sold off. I mean, it's sold off some 170 odd pips, right back to this rising trend line support right here. I've put that arrow there to make it clear to everybody that we really do have an insight into the way the market is moving. Now, we don't know what's going to happen here. That's why I put 2 question marks behind it. The point is, if you are subscribed to our twice daily Forex strength weakness tables, you will know what the market is doing. There's no more guesswork. You will know what the market is doing. You will know when it happens. You'll probably have a good 24-hour heads up prior to a big move. You'll know when to get in. You'll know how long to hold it for, and you'll know when to get out. It's that simple, guys. So, as I say, there is a really quick overview as to how you can make real money, genuine money, using our twice daily Forex strength weakness tables. You're welcome to the chart partner console, as I say. More than happy to let you have that, guys. You're going to find so much information in there, and you're going to be getting regular updates from my trading desk directly to yours. So there it is, quick overview, guys. Forex twice daily, strong week tables. Honestly, the best thing that's happened to the retail trading market for quite a long time. Any questions at all, go across to my website, find the contact tab, fire me a question. More than happy to help. Till next time, take care. Speak soon.